This is the current state for the EX118 term project. Graph. My topic was graph problems, so this is my current code. I got 3 problems, which are chains, clique, and chortle. So I'm done with basic implementations of the subproblems for all 3 of them. But for now, my parameters where some of the subproblems take in list of nodes or just a single node, and I haven't figured out how to take in a single node or a list of node and then put that as a parameter, pass that on to the networkx method. So for now, I've set them as none, and that's how it works for now. That's the current state. So here I still have them as none here. If it's equal to 0, 0, and if I don't put a 0, 0 in the input message, then it gives me an error. So this is my chortle method. There are 4 subproblems. Chortle methods are all complete. It's only chains and cliques that have node parameters that I still need to fix. So if you see the clique problems here, you see that, let's see, it's like right here, create using none, and like right here, the nodes I put as none. See, I could provide a clique, list of cliques here, but I didn't implement that part yet, so I put it as none. Always put it as none for now. So if I run it, it's my thing. For chains, screen comes out, find a chain decomposition of graph, press yes, choose the path, it's this one. I have to put 0, 0, so it gives me an error. I put 0, 0, then it gives me all the chains for this given graph. And this is another issue that I have to fix the graphing function where it creates 0 to 7 or 0 and 7 nodes, which is not in the graph file, CVS file. There's only 1 to 6 nodes in the CVS file, and then 0 and 7 doesn't exist. So I just have to fix the for loop thing. And if I want to solve other problems, I go to chortle problems. I do determine if graph is chortle. This is a chortle graph, so it should give me a true. If I do it, and it tells me that it's chortle. And set up maximum cliques. It has to be chortle graph for this to work. And since we know that this is chortle, do it, and it tells me the list of maximum cliques. And it gives me in a frozen set, so I don't know what that means for now. I don't know how to fix it, so I just left it as it is. This always pops out. And this is the true width of a chortle graph. If I do it, I create a path. If I do it, it tells me the true width, 1. And the last one is find a set of induced nodes from S to T. And so if I do it here, from there, let's say 0 to 1 is a true with 2. To 5, let's say 5. If I do it, it tells me all the induced nodes. If I do 1, it still tells me that. Oh, it's because 0 doesn't exist. So if I do 1 and 5, there it tells me the induced nodes. It's correct. And finally, for the cliques, I have all the subproblems here, but they will take in none as their parameters. So for now, it's like that. So find all cliques and then directed G. So choose path. It tells me all the cliques. Same for this. Find all maximum cliques. Choose path. Graph. Confirm. Tells me the maximum cliques. See, this is the maximum clique size from the graph, so you can see. So this is like the maximum clique size, 0 to 2. Maximum clique graph. This one works. Put graph here. Confirm it. It shows me this is the maximum clique graph. And the bipartite clique graph works as well. And this one I implemented, it works. So if I want the positive node, I could put true here. Still don't know what it means, but it works. As a bipartite graph. And the click number of a graph. So for now, I just put it as path. There should be like an extra input where the user can put in like if they know some clicks exist, then they can input a click or set a list of clicks. But I didn't implement that yet. Max number of maximum clicks in the graph. Does confirm type maximum click. Size of the largest maximum click for a given node. I do here path. For now, whatever I put, this is not going to have anything, so I'll just put node, whatever. Oh, it's going to give me an error because it has to put an input int there. This is not going to do anything, it just tells me as if there's no value to it. Number of maximum clicks for a given node. Given node is none, so it's going to give me the number of maximum clicks, so it's right here. And then finally, the list of clicks containing a node, given node. I have still none here. So let's do a list of clicks, I think. Yes. So that's it.